I was talking about forgiveness a while ago, and I want to make some clarifications about it. Yes, I forgive everyone, but it doesn't mean to say that everyone can freely come to me because they are forgiven. My boundary is still high, and it is still very, very high, way beyond the 15th dimension, and I'm not allowing those people that are harming me to come to me. I am not allowing those people that are casting spells on me to come to me. I am not allowing those people to abuse me in the past and in the present to come to me. My boundary is still firm and strong. Like I said, it's way beyond the 15th dimension. Forgiveness doesn't mean you can freely come to me. I just forgive for me. I didn't forgive for all of you. I forgive for me, for my peace. Because I know who are the real people and who are fake. I know who are the real people, who are the loving people, who are really the people that are aligning themselves to the divine, and those who are speaking fake alignment because they are not in their practice. Words is nothing when you don't practice it. So, to all of you, to those who don't practice alignment, to those who don't practice divine alignment, you may be in alignment with the devil, but not with the divine, then we're not in the same page. Therefore, my boundary is very high. Alright? I don't hate you, but I don't like you either. Alright?